Hi guys, I wanted to come along and bring you guys the outfit that I'm working on. So if you can see, I did the little chucks and I put the sequins fabric in the middle, and I am starting to do little stones throughout the gym shoes. And I'm going to talk about the jacket that I made now. I do have on shorts, so if anybody wondering, I am in shorts. So basically, I did a denim jacket, okay? This sequins fabric I got from Joann Fabric. Use a coupon if it's not on sale, or wait until they have a 50 or 40% off and you can pick up the sequins. This ribbon I got from Amazon, and I buy the 10 yards for, I think it's $15.99. And I put it throughout the bottom. So when I made the denim jacket, I washed it and made the bottom fray. And then I added the ribbon to it. And then after that, I put the sleeves on. So I did use E6000 for the stones if you ever wanted to wash the jacket. But now I wouldn't wash it because of the sequins arms. So if you guys make jackets like this and you wonder how do you clean them, basically, you just put it in the sink and hand wash under the armpits. And if there's any makeup or anything, you could do spot spray and kind of get it out that way. I would never submerge this in water now with all of the hardware on it. But this is the jacket that I'm en route making. I got to get a hook and eye right here. I want a silver one, so I need to find a silver hook and eye. I got black, but I didn't want that, so I find a silver hook and eye. And this is the jacket that I made. I call this my happy jacket. And they say, where would you wear a jacket like that? I wear it anywhere. I get on a plane with it. I will wear it to a doctor's appointment or whatever. I call it my happy jacket. So this is what it looked like. And this is how I made it. And oh, this is denim fabric I got from Joann's. And it has absolutely no stretch. So yeah, I did have to put darts to kind of contour it to my body. And you do have to go on the actual measurements. And these is my sunglasses that I will wear with this. I love these sunglasses. I got these off eBay. They are so beautifully gorgeous. And then because we have to do the face mask, I have the matching face mask. So it's hard to wear the face mask with glasses. I don't know how they do it. But I guess they'll find a way, right? But normally when I go into the doctor's office or whatever, I take off my glasses because it's hard to keep them on with the face mask. So this is my happy jacket. So majority of the fabrics, the denim, $9.99 a yard, came from Joann Fabric. The sequins, it was $39.99, but I waited till it went on sale at 40% off, and I got a yard and a half for the sleeves. The bling bling I got from Amazon at $12.99 a yard. I got 10 yards. E6000 I also got from Joann Fabric. And this is the outcome of the jacket, my happy jacket. And like I say, the shoes, I'm in the process of putting the stones on. And I just pretty much moved the tongue and glued the tongue on with a hot glue gun. And then fold it over and glue going down. Added the ribbon to the back of the gym shoe, and I'm starting to add the stones. So, thank you guys for watching, and make you some happy jackets. Bye-bye.